This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. You must have a published Google site, a verified Search Console property, and an account that meets Adsense policies. Once those basics are ready, sign into your Google Adsense account and choose to add a new site. Make sure to enter the exact site URL and follow the prompts to submit your site for review. While waiting, complete your account profile with contact, tax, and payment information so approval flows smoothly. Now you add AdSense to your Google site. In AdSense, grab the Auto Add script or the site verification snippet. Once done, open Google Sites and go to Settings, then Custom Code or Analytics. Paste the snippet into the header or global code section so it runs across pages. Publish the site and use an incognito window to confirm ads or verification appears. If ads aren't visible, allow up to 48 hours for indexing and ad crawling to propagate. To finish, monitor your AdSense dashboard for site status and earnings to confirm approval. Make sure your site complies with content and ad placement policies. Review Search Console to verify pages are indexed and there are no coverage errors. If approval stalls, clear browser cache, republish the site, and resubmit verification. As a troubleshooting tip, if ads remain missing after 48 hours, use AdSense account messages and appeal flow to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.